In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a signature in the new Outlook. Let's get started by opening the new Outlook on your computer. Make sure you're actually using the updated version, not the classic one. You'll usually see New Outlook indicated somewhere near the top of the window or in the app's title. Once Outlook is open, look toward the upper right corner of the screen for the settings icon. This is the small gear-shaped icon. Go ahead and click that. When the settings panel opens on the right-hand side, scroll all the way down and look for the option that says something like View All Outlook Settings. Click that to open the full settings window. This is where most of the more detailed options live, including email signatures. In the settings window, make sure you're on the Mail section. Under Mail, find and select the option labeled Compose and Reply. This is the area where you can create and manage your email signatures. After you click it, you'll see a signature editor appear. Now, in the signature editor, you'll have a text box where you can type your signature. Click inside that box and start creating the signature you want to use. You might include your name, your role or title, your company, and any other contact details you're comfortable sharing, like a website or general office number. Use the formatting options just above the box to adjust the font style, size, color, and alignment so your signature looks professional and easy to read. You can also add things like links or a simple logo image if needed. Just below the editor, you'll see options that control when your signature is automatically added. Typically, you'll have one setting for new messages and another for replies and forwards. If you want Outlook to automatically attach this signature to every new email you write, choose your new signature from the drop-down next to New Messages. If you'd also like it to appear on replies or forwards, select it in that drop-down as well. If you prefer to add your signature manually sometimes, you can leave these set to none and insert it only when you need it. Once you're happy with how your signature looks and how it's applied, don't forget to save your changes. Look for the Save button at the bottom of the settings window and click it. To make sure everything worked, create a new email. You should see your new signature appear at the bottom of the message automatically, based on the options you selected. If something doesn't look right, just head back into the same settings area and adjust the text, formatting, or automatic settings until you're satisfied.